What's up, you guys, and thank you so very much for stopping by and checking out this video. My name is Scott, and I'm a youth pastor. I'm also a husband and a father, and this is Burton's Beard Reviews. I hope you're all having an amazing day, and so I wanted to say thank you for also coming out and watching this video. And if you like the video, consider doing the following, like liking this video, leaving a comment, but also too, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you guys can get all the updates on new videos that we're making here. And I'm super stoked because in today's video, I'm going to be talking about some different hacks that I have learned for using this product known as Beardbalm. Now, this product right here is a product that I don't typically use all that often, mainly because this product right here is really meant for helping you shape your beard and helping you style your beard. You know, it has a little bit more of like a tacky kind of feel to it. It keeps your beard feeling nice and firm, and it really helps you with those flyaways. And again, if you're new to growing out your beard and it's getting to a longer length, you'll start to notice like, hey, it kind of looks like a lion's mane, right? Where it starts to poof out like this. My beard does that all the time. And so I've done things to really help with that. Number one thing that I've been doing a lot has actually just been applying heat to my beard in my morning routine with a blow dryer or with a heated beard brush. You guys can watch all those videos on tips and tricks and stuff here on the channel. And I have really found that as time has gone on, gravity and heat have really helped my beard kind of go from being poofy out like this to going straight down. And it's been fantastic, and I've been really enjoying those results so far. But when I was growing out my beard and I wasn't at the length that I'm at right now, I was using this product known as Beardbalm. Now, Beardbalm is a really interesting product because although you guys have probably seen on my reviews before, I've kind of talked more about it where I don't really like using this product. And the main reason why I don't like using it is because I don't need it anymore. I don't need to use it as much in my beard as I used to. And so it doesn't mean that you can't, still use it. If you want to, even with the length of beard that I have, or even longer or wherever, you can still use it. Again, it's up to you, whatever you decide, and whatever your preference is. For me, it's just something that I don't use all that often. But I have found that as time has gone on, I've noticed that, I'm like, man, this product is obviously someone put some really, companies have put time and effort into creating this, and so I want to be able to utilize this more and to take it to its full potential. And how can I do that? And so there's been a lot of really great helpful videos out there, and so I want to share with you guys 3 things that I've learned so far on how you can actually take this product and use it more, and that you can get most out of it. And so here's number 1, and I found this really interesting, but you guys can actually take this product and you can actually take it and you can put it onto your body. Now, this is really cool because, again, Beardbalm, although it has things like beeswax in it, it still has all the really key ingredients that you need for your skin to feel healthy and to feel refreshed. Again, a lot of companies are using, I would assume all companies are using healthy, natural ingredients in their products, all these essential oils, and this is all really great for your skin. And so you can use Beardbalm in multiple different ways. You can take it and you can simply, I've used it in the past on my hands, and so I just take a little bit out of my, just a little bit of an amount out of there, and I simply just rub that into my hands. And so if I ever have, dry hands or even dry elbows, or, even around like my ankles or my knees or anything like that, I typically try to use this product. And again, it keeps my hands feeling nice and moisturized, and it makes them smell fantastic, which is also a bonus, right? Oh, it smells great. But I found that if you use this product on your body, that's a really great way of utilizing this product. The second thing that you can do is, if you're someone who doesn't like using this product, or you don't see any need for it for yourself, it's always really good to then pass it on to somebody else. I've had the privilege of being able to hand out so many different products to buddies of mine for them to enjoy and for them to try out. And I've even told them, hey, you can use this on your body. Don't worry about just being on your beard. You can use it on your body as well, and it'll be super great for you. And they've all told me the same thing. Man, this is great. This is such good news to hear that I can use this for other things. It's great. So you guys can also take this product and you can then, pass it on to a buddy if you're not interested in it. But one of the things that I have really learned, and my third thing that I found really helpful, was that you can actually take this product, Beardbalm, and if you mix it with some beard oil, you can actually give yourself a little bit more of a thicker beard butter. Now, this is really cool because if you don't know, the difference between a beard butter and a beard balm is simply this, is that beard balm has beeswax in it and beard butter doesn't. Now, there are some companies that do include a beard, they do include the beeswax in their beard butter. For example, like Detroit Grooming, they have beeswax in their butter, but it's right near the bottom of their ingredients list. So it's not a huge ingredient. It's not the #1 ingredient. It's kind of further down. That kind of gives it a little bit more of some weight, some grittiness to it, but also kind of gives it a little bit more of a body as well. Not all companies are doing this, but some do. But with beard balm, as I said, its main component is for styling and shaping, whereas beard butter is really meant for nourishment. And so I typically, when I'm, when I wake up in the morning, after I've had my shower, I've used, beard wash, beard conditioner. I then take some beard oil, I apply that into my beard, and that's all I use throughout the day. Now, once we get to the evening, what I tend to do is my nightly routine is simple. I just wet my beard down a little bit, and then I apply beard butter, and that's it. And what beard butter does is while you're sleeping, it's keeping your beard hairs feeling nice and refreshed, moisturized. Hydrated is really the word we want to use here. And it's keeping your skin also very hydrated as well. And so when you wake up in the morning, your beard's not going to feel like I don't know what I want to say here. So when you wake up in the morning, your beard's not going to feel dry, it's not going to feel irritated or anything like that. It's going to feel nice and refreshed. And as soon as you go into the shower and you rinse it out, your beard feels already soft. And again, you really want to keep your beard hair feeling refreshed and soft and nice. Man, it's so good. It's so good. But the thing that I found was really interesting was taking beard balm and beard oil, mixing the two together, and then you can create a little bit more of like a thicker beard butter. Now, I think this is a really great hack, and I learned this actually from a guy named Dan C. Bearded, and I wanted to try it for a couple of days. And so what I want to actually show you guys is how this actually looks, how you can apply this into your beard game. And again, I think it's a really helpful tip. So simply what you do is you take the amount of beard butter that you want to be using. And so I typically will try to use pretty much the same amount of, what I use for a butter, I'll use it for the balm as well. I'll make sure that I'm taking good care of it. But what I typically do is I just take out my beard butter and I put it onto my hand, and before I do any kind of, before I start to rub it down to melt it down, I simply take out the oil from the dropper. I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, you guys can take as much oil as you want to, or you can take as little as you want to. If you want to be a lot more of like a lighter beard, then use as many drops as you can, probably around maybe like 10 to maybe even 12. And if you want to have a little bit of a thicker one, then hey, don't use all that much. Maybe just add like 2 to 4 drops at most, maybe. And then simply what you do is you just rub that into your hands. And then all you do is you simply then just take this. See, it's already it melts down really nicely. I haven't tried this yet with a more stiffer type of beard balm yet, but I'm looking forward to trying that out. And then all you simply do is then you just take it and apply it into your beard, and you are good to go. And I have found, as I've done this now for the last couple of days, is I actually have found that my beard, although it does feel like I have balm in there, and it does feel a little bit more heavier, it's something that I'm not unfamiliar with. I've used other companies in the past that have a little bit more of a thicker beard butter, something like Artius Man or Husky Beard, and I found that, even like, for example, like Magic City, they've also got more of a thicker beard butter, and I have found that this is actually really, really refreshing. And yeah, don't forget the mustache. You can't forget the mustache. But all you do is you just simply take a few drops, apply that into your beard, and look at that. You got the nice shine. It feels ready to go. It feels nice and refreshed. And man, if you apply this into your day, I think this is really going to help you guys with your beard. And so yeah, so that's simply what it looks like. And so I've done this now for the last couple of days, and I have found that, you know what, although it's not the same type of results that I got when I was using just straight beard butter, I did find it actually, it was a really helpful tip and trick for me, especially when you get into a little bit of a pinch, you don't really have, you know, like for example, for me, the reason why I wanted to do this was I, for one, am someone who really enjoys a good barbershop smell. There's something so clean, so manly about it, and I really love that smell a lot. And so I wanted to try it, you know, at nighttime before I went and purchased any from anyone. I wanted to find a nice barbershop beard butter, and I found that Beard Octane has a really nice, you know, they have a really nice barbershop scent profile. And so I was like, I want to try this and see if it works. And I found it was absolutely excellent. So that's one of the reasons why I tried this and thought it was really cool. And man, so far I've really enjoyed this helpful tip. And I think it can also help you guys when you're trying to figure out, you know, do you want to buy beard butter? Because it is a little bit more expensive than Balm. But I think if you take these two products, mix them together, try this, you know, at nighttime. I think it'd be fun to see what you guys think. But I personally have been trying it now for the last couple of days, and I've actually really enjoyed it. Same results, and it has a great feel all the way through, and I think it's definitely worth checking out. So those are my tips for you guys when it comes to using Beard Balm. Again, I'm learning as I go. Hey, there's more that you can use. There's more ways that you can use these products than you think, and I think it'd be really helpful for us to not only apply this into our beard journey, but also too while we're using these products to get the full effect from them. And so I hope that you guys found this video helpful. If you did, consider then hitting that like button, leave a comment if you'd like to, and man, maybe even share your experience with maybe doing these helpful tips and tricks. And if you guys have any more helpful tips and tricks for anybody here who's looking for them, hey, leave that in the comment section below. We'd love to hear from you. And man, that's my video for today. Hope you guys are doing well, as I said before. And this has been Burton's Beard Reviews. Take care, guys. God bless. And don't forget, keep your stick on the ice and treat your beard as something nice. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.